Lesson 5. Mouse and Input Device. Learning Outcomes. What is a mouse? Uses of a mouse. Holding a mouse. Functions of mouse buttons. Mouse pointer and its shapes. Types of mouse. Mouse manners, do's and don'ts. Introduction. Dear students, you have already learnt a lot about a computer mouse. It is a small, lightweight input device that is most often used with a personal computer. In this chapter, we will learn more about this device. What is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device used to move, point or select items on the monitor. Do you know, Douglas C. Angelpart made the first mouse in 1968. It looked like a wooden box then. Uses of mouse. The mouse is a handheld device that is used for carrying out various tasks in the computer. Some of the uses are given below. It is used to point to and select objects on the screen. It is used to select and to move data or files by dragging and dropping. It helps us to draw and color pictures. It is used to play games on the computer. The mouse is usually kept on a clean and smooth mat called the mouse pad, which helps the mouse to move smoothly. Mouse pointer and its shapes. The slant arrow on the screen is called mouse pointer. As we move the mouse, the pointer on monitor also moves in the same direction. The shape of the mouse pointer changes as we perform different actions on the computer. Some of the common mouse pointer shapes are shown below. Normal select, help select, busy select, text select, move. Types of mouse. Nowadays, different types of mouse are available in different shapes, designs and colors. Some of them are shown here. Optical mouse, mechanical mouse, wireless mouse, stylus mouse, cordless 3D mouse, a finger mouse, a track mouse, a pen mouse, trackball mouse. Different types of mouses have different numbers and kinds of buttons which are used to do various tasks. 2-button mouse. It is used for left button and right button use. 3-button mouse. It has 3 buttons, left button, middle button and right button. Scroll mouse is a mouse with scroll wheel in between the left and right button. We can move up and down a page by moving this wheel. Do you know, the optical mouse glows with red light? It is commonly used these days. The wireless mouse is a mouse without wire. It is not attached to the CPU and works by sending signals from mouse to computer. It works like your television remote. How to hold a mouse? To hold a mouse, following things need to be taken care of. Place your palm on the mouse gently. Place your index finger on left mouse button. Place your middle finger on the right mouse button. Note, if you are lefty, use your left hand to hold the mouse and place your index finger on the right mouse button and middle finger on the left mouse button. Functions of mouse buttons. We can click a mouse button in different ways to perform different functions. Single click is known as pressing the left mouse button once. It is used to select an item on monitor. On pressing the left mouse button, we hear a click sound. Double click. Pressing the left mouse button 2 times, twice quickly is called double click. It is used to open an item. Right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right click. On clicking the right button, a drop-down menu is displayed that shows all possible actions on the selected item. Dragging. Dragging means moving the object from one place on the screen to the other. We can drag an object on the screen with the help of the mouse. Steps for dragging an item. Step 1. Place the pointer on the item you want to drag. Step 2. Press and hold down the left mouse button. Step 3. Now move the pointer to the place where you want to place the item. Step 4. Release the button and you'll see that the item has moved to a new place. Scrolling. The scrolling wheel between the left and right button is used to move a page up and down. Mouse manners, do's and don'ts. Always use the mouse on the mouse pad. Hold the mouse gently to move it over a mouse pad. Lab zone. Visit the computer lab and have fun by learning how to flip the right and left mouse buttons. Dear children, normally mouse is used by right-handed persons, but for any left-handed person, the functionality of the buttons should be altered. You can use following steps to swap the left and right mouse buttons. In step 1, click on Start and then click on the Control Panel option. Step 2, click on the Mouse option in the Control Panel window. In step 3, the Mouse Properties dialog box appears. In step 4, in the Buttons tab, click on the checkbox Switch Primary and Secondary Buttons. In step 5, click on OK button. Done! Observe the changes. Recap zone. A mouse is a pointing device which is used to move, point and select items on the monitor. Douglas C. Angelbart made the first mouse in 1968. The slant arrow on the screen is called mouse pointer. The wireless mouse is a mouse without wire. Dragging means moving the object from one place on the screen to the other.